Hola, Namaste. Welcome to Red Cut Videos. Just 35 kilometers away from Dehradun, there lies a hill station that yearly grows in popularity, Mussoorie. Better known as the Queen of Hills, is considered as the best hill station in India. The place offers the finest walk amidst the scenic mountain ranges for a perennial beauty, enchanting cascading waterfalls for the splashes, and the chills in various wildlife sanctuaries for becoming an exclusive observer of nature. The best place to visit in Mussoorie is Kempty Falls. Kempty Falls is said to be one of the most prominent waterfalls in Uttarakhand. It is a beautiful setting arranged by nature itself. The melodious sound that the force of the water creates can be heard from a distance. It is the most fascinating and loved picnic spot in the city. At number 2, Gun Hill. Take the splendid view of the city by enjoying a trolley ride to Gun Hill. A historical and the second largest peak in Mussoorie, it is an ideal spot for some sightseeing and for collection of photographic memoirs. Third, Lal Tibba. Lal Tibba in local language means Red Hill. It is Mussoorie's highest peak, a side which is still untouched by commercialization. Take a close view of the famous peaks like Badrinath and Kedarnath with the help of a Japanese telescope that was installed here. Fourth, Cloud's End. Surrounded by thick deodar and oak forest, it is the major landmark to the geographical end of Mussoorie. It is well known for its scenic beauty and landscape. Cloud's End marks the end of Mussoorie. Fifth, Dhanaulti. Dhanaulti is considered as the most stunning place to visit in Mussoorie. Situated at a height of 2,286 meters, it provides a scenic beauty of the entire surrounding and a close look at the mesmerizing view of the Himalayas. Number 6. Happy Valley. Happy Valley is a place situated near the library end of the mall and is popularly known for the hiking. There is also a famous IAS Academy there and also popular tourist attractions like Municipal Garden, Tibetan Temple and more. At number 7, the Mall Road. The Mall Road is an elongated road with various famous shops on both ends. Visit the place for some quick shopping and also for having the most lip-smacking snacks ever. It is open 24 hours and can be visited according to the convenience. 8th, Mussoorie Lake. People visit the place to spend some quiet, tranquil time here. It is also a popular picnic spot with some stalls that offer the best food ever. At number 9, Jwala Devi Temple. Jwala Devi Temple is a very famous shrine for Hindus. The main deity of the temple is goddess Durga. It is a beautiful destination surrounded by oak and deodar forests. 10th, Jharipani Falls. To be able to trek amidst mountains and scenic beauty is an experience in itself. And post such hard work, when the waterfalls can be finely spotted, it is a sight worth seeing. The landscape will leave you with an everlasting impression on your mind. Last but not the least, Jawahar Aquarium. It is the first aquarium in the city of Mussoorie. The place offers some of the best intriguing species of fishes and other members of the marine life. Tropical fishes, red piranha, and tiny sharks can also be seen here. So these are the best 11 places to see in Mussoorie. Hope you like the video. Let us know your favorite place in the comments. Can you answer this simple question? Make sure you share your tips in the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Each of your thumbs ups helps us to do better. Keep exploring, live life and have fun. Adios, sayonara, bye bye.